Infinite IKEA! Going shopping! This place seems a bit bigger than I expected it to be. Let's see. Oh wow. Very big shop. Oh, we get a car! IKEA map. Ah, that was stupid. Come on. Oh wow, very high quality. Goodness me. Oh. Handy. We'll try not to break anything. Whoopsie daisies. I broke anything. We can do this. No, we can't. Oh my god. Oh, we're just gonna back out of it. Yeah, I'm sure this is a glitch. Whee! Oh no, not again. Okay. No more car. Can I? Oh no, okay. Sorry. Can't even open these. I'm taking this with me. Well, bouncy bump. Shit. Sorry, I don't want to do that. I'm pretty sure there's an end to this. It's gotta be. Come on. I need something stronger. Rocket launcher. I didn't go very far. Useless. I'm gonna break into this vent. Oh wow, I can actually walk in the vent. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, this is good. Can I get out? Can I get out, please? Thank you. Wow, look at these cookers. These aren't cookers, are they? Oh wow, well that's very heavy. Broke the floor. Oh wow, this floor's very fast. But I just broke it.